Hello friends, I know you quite well, and here is 100 professional business card, and total file is 880 plus 880, okay, and 1.92 GB near the 2 GB total size. These are PSD. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store and buy now $2.99 for lifetime access. Okay, main file is one. Here is 4 different color: red, orange, green, blue. Wow. Here is front, here is back. Open front, and we need a image, and double click. Girls dark like this. Replace your image here. We need a 1000. Okay, Control S, and you see my image is here, second image is here, and second. Okay, for example this one. Oh, enter, Control S. Here is okay, and second photo, third photo is here. You can change anything. Close, and here is a background. Sorry for background noises. Green, and here is orange, red. Same thing is here, 4 color. Open the red, and you can import and write anything. Scroll down, here is 42 folder, and you see the PSD. Just your one image is here, and write anything. Utendo, graphic designer. Okay. Enter, Control S. So you can move it or you can apply anywhere. Okay, same, here is 4 color, 83, red. Wow, black, front and back. These are CMYK color, that's mean these are printable. Here is green, orange, red and blue. Red. Just import your image and write Thamos Kusi. Okay, camera operator. Okay. Now here is 5 color, blue color. Oh wow, here is back and here is front. Write anything. Look like a double illustrator. Wow. Change one by one color. This one, select yellow, and here select green or red. Depend your own choice, you can do it. 77, orange file. Wow, front. Here is background. Oh no, green, here is design. Wow, amazing. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and bye now for lifetime access. Take care, Allah Hafiz.